Here is everything you need to make the German chocolate protein shake. I shaved off some zero carb, zero sugar, chocolate bar, and some white mocha skinny syrup. I'm gonna add a little shush of the coconut milk, some Core Power Fairlife, and for the coffee I'm using this Starbucks vanilla, and then I'm gonna add this caramel pecan syrup to it. Those are all the ingredients that you'll need. This is my outfit of the day. I got this top at the thrift store and this necklace. I got this at a fashionista party. We have our swap parties where me and my friends bring things and we swap our clothes, and the rest, whatever we don't take, we give to the charity shops and to the Goodwill and to the thrift stores up here, and we just have a great time doing that. So that's where I got this necklace. I don't know if you can see it good, but I really like it. It's a dragonfly, and these earrings, I really don't remember where I got those. I've had them for quite a while, but this is my outfit for today to make my German chocolate protein shake that I've been telling you about, and I am going to show you later an unboxing of my skinny mixes, and hopefully I still have not taken down my Valentine's decorations, so I am planning on doing that today. So anyways, this is my outfit, nothing fancy, but I'm not doing anything really fancy today anyway, so hope you like it. I like it. I love the colors of this, and it just makes me feel. So before I make my protein shake, I want to show you this new makeup that I got. I get all my ideas from my granddaughters. My granddaughters' names are Haley and Kaylee, so I'll probably refer to them as H and K. So you can, because Haley and Kaylee get so confusing, and they're literally only 19 days apart. So this is a beauty wand, and it's a highlighter. You can put it on your cheeks and stuff. I like to put it here too. I like it because it gives it a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if you could see that sparkle, but I really like this one. It's made by e.l.f. and they have really good prices on things. My Haley told me about this. This is one of the really good hacks that she taught me, is that this brand is just as good as a lot of the other expensive brands, and it works really good. And then the next thing that this I love. My granddaughters told me about this, and also my friend Sabina uses this. So a couple people, I noticed their lips looked really good and moist, because we don't want crusty lips, do we? So I really like this. It's called Lip Injection, and it's like a lip gloss. And I really like it because it kind of plumps up your lips, and it actually really works. Some of them say they plump up your lips, but I don't know if you can see. So this one I really like. Okay, so now I'm ready to make my German chocolate protein shake. I've been wanting to try this. I have never made this recipe. It's just one that I've been having in my mind. I'm going to add some caramel pecan, because you have to have pecan for your German chocolate cake. And I'm going to add some of this white chocolate. Both of these are skinny syrups. And I'm going to make it good because I'm internet famous. I mean, at least to my grandkids, I'm internet famous. That was quite a bit of the white chocolate. So earlier I got a vegetable peeler and I peeled off some chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate that you want. Zero chocolate, Lily's chocolate, white chocolate, anything. I brewed it yesterday. This is the vanilla Starbucks coffee, am going to add this core. It's the Fairlife, 26 grams of protein in this. And then I'm just going to add like a little swoosh of this coconut milk to give it that coconut flavor. Not too much, because I think this one is pretty high in sugar, so you don't want to get too carried away with this. But all the other things are sugar-free that we use. The chocolate and the skinny syrups and the coffee is sugar-free. And I'm going to use this little bowl. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's a little thing. I like to use something that's tall that I can stir in here. So first I'm going to add some of this coconut milk. I get it opened. And remember, go kind of lightly on that, depending on, you know, if you don't want to have too much sugar. I try to not have too much sugar. To wake up. I already have to put the ice in there. Just give it a mix. I still have, there's still more coffee and there's still more, what you call it, Fairlife chocolate milk in there. So that, when you drink it down, you can add some more. There. I almost couldn't stop drinking it to tell you what it tastes like. This is really good. You have got to try this. So next I am going to just add a little bit more, just a little drop of coffee. Add chocolate. And there we go, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Real quick, I did forget to tell you that this was 0 sugar whipped cream. Bye.